Have you ever felt like you're slowly losing trust in your own mind? You remember something clearly, but someone insists it never happened or happened differently. At first, it feels like a misunderstanding, but over time, something changes. You begin questioning yourself, your memory, your emotions, your reality. That is gaslighting, and it's one of the most dangerous manipulation tactics because it doesn't attack your body, it attacks your perception. Gaslighting happens when someone repeatedly makes you doubt what you know is true. They say things like, that never happened. You're imagining things. You're too sensitive. You always overreact. These phrases may sound small, but repeated over time, they become psychological weapons. Why? Because repetition changes belief. The more you hear something, the more your brain starts considering it, even when it's false. That creates confusion, and confusion weakens self-trust. Once you stop trusting yourself, control becomes easier. That's why gaslighting is so powerful. It shifts authority from your mind to theirs. Now you stop asking, what do I feel? And start asking, what do they think is true? That's dangerous because reality becomes externally controlled. The scariest part? Gaslighting often happens slowly, not all at once. Small distortions, tiny denials, repeated blame shifts, until one day you feel emotionally lost. Here's the truth. Healthy people may misunderstand. Manipulators repeatedly distort reality. Patterns matter. Remember this. Your memory won't always be perfect, but your consistent discomfort matters. Pay attention to repeated confusion, because healing begins the moment you stop ignoring your own reality and start